Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using the algorithm today to multiply numbers by 2. So yesterday we just looked at our 2 times table. So today we're going to use our 2 times tables to solve strategies using the algorithm. So let's get started. So say if I had, for example, I want to find out what 24 times 2 is. So what I'm going to do when I use the algorithm, I always put the bigger number on top first. So 24, and then I put my sign here so I know I'm timesing, and then I put number 2 here. And then I draw my line just underneath it. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be making 24 2 times bigger. Alright, so I'm going to do 4 times 2 first, so I need to know it automatically. With all our multiplication times tables, we need to know them straight away. Alright, so 4 times 2 is 8. So I'm going to write number 8 here. Then I need to do 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then my answer is 48. Alright, let's try a different one. Alright, let's say if I did the number 48. And I want to times it by 2. So I want to make 48 2 times bigger. Let's try this one. So the first thing I need to do is to find out what 2 times 8 is. So 2 times 8 is 16. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 6 here, and then I'm going to carry the 1 into the tens column, because in 16 I've got 6 ones and I've got 1 10. So I'm moving that 10 into the next column. So 2 times 4 is 8, and then I'm going to plus 1, which is 9. So my answer is going to be 96. All right, let's try one more. This one's going to be a little bit trickier. Let's do the number 468. And I'm going to times that by 2 and find out what the answer is. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 times 8. So 2 times 8 again is 16. So you put the 6 here, and I've got 1 10. So I'm going to move that 10 into the tens column here. Then I'm going to do 6 times 2. So 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So I'm going to put the 3 here, and I'm going to move the 1 into the hundreds column. So what I've done here is 2 times 6 is 12, which is 12 tens, and then just plus the 1, which is 13 tens. So now I've got too many tens, so I need to carry them over into the hundreds column. So 2 times 4 now is 8, so that means I'm going to have 8 hundreds, plus 1 is 9 hundreds, so 900. So the answer is 936. All right, so what you're going to go and do now is you're going to go back onto Google Classroom, go onto the next Google slide, and I've put some different questions up there. They're going to start easy, so they're going to start with like 1 digit, then they're going to move into 4 digits. Now I want you to try and have a go at all of them, but for all of them you need to know your 2 times tables, and you need to know how to do the algorithm. Now, you don't have to do it on the Google slide. You can either do it on some paper and then upload it using a camera, or you could just do it straight onto the Google slide. All right, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please make sure, if you can't hear me in the video, or if you're not too sure about something I said in the video, please go and write it in the comments below. I would really like some feedback on if you actually like the videos. Okay. All right. I hope you have a nice day and stay safe. Bye.